Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Let's begin this presentation with introducing myself and my group mates. So my name is Nur Atika Maisara binti Zairuddin. My metric number is A20A1699. I have 3 group members of this group. One of them is Izzati Nabila binti Muhammad Yunus. Metric number A20B1376. The second one is Nur Nabiha binti Zakaria. Metric number H2OA 1932, and the last one is Nurul Syuhada binti Muhammad, metric number A2A1898. All of us are from different courses. So today, my group will discussing about how to stay healthy when you are staying at home. Due to COVID-19 nowadays, many people are just staying at home during movement control order (MCO). Even just stay at home, we must to keep healthy to have a good body with ideal BMI and a good condition of health. We can conclude that a good condition of health is referring to a normal BP or blood pressure reading, normal blood sugar readings, and a good cholesterol levels are known as HDL cholesterol. Definition of healthy is having or indicating that you promote good health in terms of your body, mind, and lifestyle in general. The content that we will discuss during this presentation is why it is important to keep ourselves healthy and fit with Nurul Syuhada. Second content is with Nur Nabiha discussing about ways to stay fit and healthy at home. And the last content is how can individuals take more responsibility for their own health with Izzati Nabila. So, let's start the first content with Nurul Syuhada.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Syuhada binti Muhammad. My metric number is A20A1898. I am here to present a speech on health and fitness. I am really sure that most of us are familiar with the word health and fitness. Most of the time, we are frequently use this word and we love to use these phrases like health is a wealth and fitness is the key. What does the health really mean? It can be implied on the idea of being well. A healthy and fit person can be seen when both of the physical of the body and also the mental are in a good condition. Or healthy proper health and fitness does not depend on ourselves, but it's also on our physical environment and the quality of food take. Health and fitness are the most important aspect of our life. There are nothing more important than health for any human being. When we are healthy and fit, we are able to enjoy our life well. We can talk to our near and dear one. We can laugh, smile, travel, enjoy food and sleep well. But when our health and fitness is not up to the mark, we are unable to do anything properly and stay behind. We cannot enjoy eating, watching sport or movies. Our mood always remains negative and we are unable to talk nicely with our near and dear or even sleep properly.
Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. My name is Nur Nabiha binti Zakaria. My point is way to stay fit and healthy at home. First of all, way to stay fit and healthy at home is by doing exercise activity. There are many types of exercise that can be done at home, such as Zumba and yoga. Zumba and yoga exercise be done by watching online video or watching on television to help us exercise is the right way, so that we stay healthy and fit at home. This activity can help a person break a healthy sweat. Light exercise should be done once a day or at least 3 times a week. Everyone must take at least 40 minutes or more each time they exercise. Through the exercise, we can release stress and calm the mind. Indirectly, doing exercise can keep our body healthy. Now, the second way to stay fit and healthy at home is by eating balanced diet according to the eating pyramid set by the Ministry of Health Malaysia. Everyone should consume nutrition food such as vegetable, fruit and grain to provide vitamin and energy to our body. Therefore, everyone should avoid consume greasy food high in fat and snack. Through this balanced diet, we can prevent the body from all kind of dangerous diseases such as heart attack and diabetes. Lastly, the way to stay healthy and fit at home is to get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep can help a person relax their mind and body after a tiring day of work. To get sleep, everyone must sleep on a time which is at least 6 to 8 hours a day, and do not oversleep because it can affect the health of the body. Getting enough sleep can help a person's brain to pay attention and be more focused in doing work and can control emotion. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Izzati Nabila binti Muhammad Yunus. Today I want to share about how can individuals take more responsibility for their own healthy. Firstly, positive thinking. When you are always in good mood and always thinking positive at every age of your problem or whatever is, you are able to keep a positive vibe. That was the best way to keep your healthy in good condition, so you will be that can lead your overthinking. Just imagine when you got stressed, it is for you to get headache and as the after effect. And mostly people know they love to take more pill, especially sleeping pill and Panadol with extra dose. And of course, it is not good for our healthy. Next is manage your stress level. Get rid of negative surrounding. Whatever is bad habit you have to, or negative people you spend time with, it's time to get rid of the negative influence in your life for your healthy sake. The most important thing have a good healthy is by manage our own mental healthy, because need to maintain mental for whole day, lot a bit more happy people life longer. Our body respond are positive, so make time for a bit of jog every day. But also the most important is to exercise, take care your body and have a good diet. The amount of take less sugar, because I think sugar is the silent killer. For example, lifestyle people know they love to consuming unhealthy food such as Starbucks, Coke, Tea Life, and eat the donut or cake. Even you don't take very sweet thing, but a lot of food has sugar and carbohydrate. In everything is moderation, less sugar, less salt, and also less oil, especially for the younger ones with poor eating habit and the lack of exercise. I think this a group of kids that needs more attention, because your healthy is your responsibility. Here are some way you can manage your healthy. Firstly, love and take care your body. Secondly, find your reason. We all need a reason to achieve what we want, healthy or otherwise. The more reason you have to achieve your goal, the higher the likelihood that you will follow a healthy lifestyle and achieve your own goal. Make a list of all the reasons why you want to have a healthy body. 3. Create a wellness plan, write your healthy vision and goal. What lifestyle habit you need to implement to improve your healthy. Once you have a plan, make sure you keep a journal to keep yourself in check. 4. Follow an active lifestyle. And active lifestyle will look different for everybody. If you're not current active, start slowly with not to strenuous exercise like walking, cycling, swimming, and all. As your body get healthier over time, you may want to increase your activities. 5. Follow a nutritious diet. A nutritious diet can increase your lifespan and take note which of food you should incorporate or cut out. 6. Meditate. Take time in silence and stillness each day to close your eye and tune into your internal world. Even a few minutes each day make a hard difference. When meditate, our body produce more melatonin which help us to sleep better. 7. Drink lot of plain water. The cell in our body need water to work correctly. Make sure you drink your 8 glass of water each day. And more on hot day or while exercising. 8. Rest up. We need to get enough sleep and it's time to take a break. During sleep, our body will recover and repair all the damaged cells. 9. Get help. Talking personal responsibility and control of your healthy doesn't mean you cannot ask for help. If you need guidance or someone to keep your uncomfortable, make sure you reach out to someone correct who can help, such as family member and close friend. That's all for me. Thank you.
So the conclusion is they are so important to keep ourselves healthy and fit because staying healthy on physical can help you to stay healthy on emotionally too. Besides that, there are so many ways to stay fit and healthy at home, such as do a basic workout for 25 minutes a day at home. The activity of basic workout is go for a walk or a jog around your residence, get up and dance, build muscle with push-up and squats, and last but not least, stretching your muscle to get your blood flowing and reduce stress and tension. Next, individual can take more responsibility for their own health by limiting intake of alcohol, sugar, salt and fat, and adopt a healthy eating style. However, there are a lot of benefits to stay healthy, such as reduce your risk of heart attack, manage your weight better, have a lower blood cholesterol level, lower the risk of diabetes and cancer, and have lower blood pressure. I really hope that every audience will gain benefit from our presentation. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.